In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Nordvpn on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have Nordvpn up and running, providing you with a secure and private browsing experience. To start, open your web browser and go to the Nordvpn website. You can do this by typing Nordvpn download into your search engine and clicking on the official link, or you can directly type in the URL. Once there, you'll see an option for downloading. Select the appropriate Nordvpn download page for Windows. Now, look for the Login option, typically found at the top right corner of the web page. Click on this to access your Nordvpn account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Thankfully, it's just a simple process of entering your email address and a secure password. If you're setting up a new account, check your email to confirm your account registration before proceeding. Once logged in, navigate to Account Overview. Here, you should find details about your subscription and settings you can adjust to enhance your experience with Nordvpn. This Account Overview page serves as your control panel, where you can make any changes or updates to your account details. Next, you'll head over to the Download section. This is where you'll find all the available downloads associated with your Nordvpn account. Make sure you select the option for Nordvpn for Windows, as it's what we need for our installation on a Windows 10 or 11 system. Click to download the Nordvpn setup file. This might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the Nordvpn setup file you just downloaded. Double-click the setup file to begin installing Nordvpn. A window will pop up asking for confirmation to make changes to your computer. Select Yes. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through the installation process. It typically involves agreeing to terms and conditions and choosing a location on your computer for the installation. After successful installation, find the Nordvpn icon on your desktop or Start menu and open the app. You'll be prompted to log in using the account details you created earlier. Input your credentials and sign in. With Nordvpn now opened on your computer, you're just a click away from secure browsing. Select a country or server from their wide list of options, and once connected, you can rest easy knowing your online activity is protected. That's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and set up Nordvpn on your Windows computer. Enjoy a faster and more secure internet experience.